Hello everyone, welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $103 per day walking for just 30 minutes for passive income. So this is a super creative and easy method. And in this video today, there's going to be no fluff at all, no fluff content. It's pure value in this video. This is a really unique up and coming strategy that you can actually earn money on YouTube. Doing either staying healthy and doing something that you love, or also I'm going to show you how you can actually create the YouTube channel without actually doing the walking and using other people's videos. So let's get started. So we're in YouTube right now, and I found a channel called Pro Walk Tours. So if you go in and you check out Pro Walk Tours and go onto their webpage, on their YouTube channel, you're going to see they have 217 subscribers. And what do they do on this channel, right? So if we scroll down, you're going to see that they just post videos of walking in different areas. So there's a time lapse here. There's biking in empty Piazza Nirvana. There's biking in Rome right here. So there's just all kinds of different ones. Here's a walk right here. So you would just click on it and check that out real quick. I'm going to go ahead and click off this real quick, the default view. And you can see this video is 37 minutes, but you can make them anywhere from 10 minutes to 30 minutes. And really, this is what it is. It's literally just life. It's just standing there with a video camera and observing what you see, walking. You can ride a bike. You can just walk around different cities. You could walk out in nature if you wanted to. People watch these videos, and you can see the video is monetized. So you can monetize this kind of channel. And the travel niche, this would be considered in the travel niche, which gets good CPMs. So you can actually earn really good money just from YouTube partnership. You can see all these little lines right here. This means that there's ads. I'm a premium subscriber, so I don't actually have to watch the advertising, but right here, those are all the ads that are placed on this video. And look, all they're doing is just walking. There's no voiceover going on in the video. There's no scripts that you have to outsource and write. There's no big video editing going on. Look at this. All you would do is maybe cut some different things out, but look, there's no video editing going on. You literally just record with a GoPro or even your phone if you want. Look at that guy's clapping right there. So this is really cool. Okay, so let's go over to Socialblade and check out what is the stats on this video. So we go over to Pro Tours, Pro Walk Tours. They have 184 uploads. They've been around for about 4 years. They have 217,000 subscribers. Over 30 million views on their channel. It's in the travel niche, and they are in the US, and they have a good grade on Socialblade, and this is showing that they're making at least $8,000. This is usually very accurate on the high end. What I'm finding is that this is always accurate on the high end, or even it goes up from there depending on what niche you're in. This could be 2 or 3 times higher. But let's just be generous that they're only making $8,000 per month on the channel just from YouTube ads. That's not counting any of their videos have links in them. If we come down here and we check out show more, and we check out, right here, they have a camera that they're using, a microphone. So they're selling different things. Look at these Amazon links. You click on that, it takes you over to Amazon, and they are affiliate. So if anybody buys anything from Amazon from clicking on that link, then the channel owner will get paid for that. So this is one example, and they are making some really good money here. Another channel that is doing this is called Soulwalker. They have 101,000 subscribers, and they're doing, you can see some of the analytics and things like that, but really, they're just posting, even stuff like this, the garden right here. So we click on that and see what this video looks like. And this one's the Garden of Morning Calm Afternoon Walk in Autumn Tour, Korea. So they're in Korea. And it's just live footage. You're getting paid to just use your camera, this one doesn't even look like they're using much of a high definition. This is probably just from a phone. From a smartphone, you can record and just if you're going to the zoo in your city, say you live in Denver, downtown Denver or something like that, and you're going to go and check out the zoo, just record some stuff, some footage at the zoo, put that up. You can record anything. I mean, look at this. So this is cool. They put up a little thing here that says what the temperature was like and all that. This one's a 50-minute video, but you can start off just doing 30-minute or less videos. So what does theirs look like on Socialblade? They also have a B. They have 327 uploads, 100,000 subscribers. They have over 10 million views. Looks like they are in Korea. Travel niche as well. And this channel's only been around for 1.5 years, and they're already making almost $5,000 per month. Let's check out another one. Soulwalker, 94,000 subscribers. And you can see how often they're placing 5 months, 6 months. So in the last 3 months, they've only posted 3 videos. They posted a video, looks like 4 weeks ago, already got 30,000 views on it. And what is this one look like? So this is Soulwalker, 180 uploads, 94,000 subscribers, 18 million views, and they're from France, and they're a travel niche right here. And they've only been around for 2 years. Look at that. Only 2 years. And how much are they making per month? They're making $4.3 thousand per month. And again, that does not include the affiliate links that they would have in their descriptions, right? And so they're getting over 1 million views per month, which is just incredible. And then let's look at one more. We're over here, and this one is a fairly new one that we looked at. This is a new channel that's only been up for a couple months. It already has almost 5,000 subscribers. Okay, and they're just posting the same type of videos, right? Same type of videos. Colombia, different types of videos there. And we check them out on Socialblade, and they are also a B-. Anything a B- or higher means the channel is growing very quickly and has done a lot of things right. What I'm looking at here is that the channel's only 3 months old, July 25th, 2020. They only have 13 uploads, and they have almost 5,000 subscribers. They've already had 1.1 million video views on the channel, which is just insane that they just started this channel a couple months ago. They are from the United States, and they are already making over $3,000. And this is just from being monetized on YouTube, right? And so they are getting 767,000 views per month. The channel is just growing. If you look at the metrics right here, just growing quickly. So if you take your calculator out, right, and you do $3,100 that they're making per month, at least $3,100. It could be twice that, but $3,100 divided by 30 days per month, there's $133 per day that they're making just by uploading 13 videos. And so they've only uploaded 13 videos. So if you take 13 videos and it's only been up for the channel's is only 3 months old, you divide that by 3, they're only uploading 4.3 videos per month. So 1 video per week they're uploading, and they're getting this kind of traction, which is just insane. So how do you put these videos together? So you could get a camera, go to some of these channels, get some of the cameras that they're using, or if you have a Galaxy or an iPhone, you're going to have really good cameras already built in. Those have good batteries, all that. So just to get started, you can already use the tools that you already have, right? So once you can find some video editing tools and apps on your phone and literally just edit real quick on their phone and then upload into YouTube directly from your phone. You don't even have to mess with pulling it into a desktop. But if you want to come into a desktop and get a free video editor, you can use this software right here, OpenShot Video Editor. This is free. It's an open source software, so you can download it and use the full version of this software, which is really, really cool. And then I use WeVideo, which is a premium tool that I pay an annual fee for, and it just gives a lot of really good, useful editing tools that you're able to use built into the software. So that's a really good one as well. So one other kind of spin on this that you could maybe experiment with is that if you go in and I'm going to open up an incognito window. If you go in here and you actually type in, so let's say you wanted to test out a couple videos, or maybe every other video you want to, maybe once a week you want to do a real actual walking video. Now, depending on wherever you live, you can make this work. And then maybe you want to upload 2 videos per week. You can also come in here and let's just say you're going to type in here, you're going to say walk in, and you can like for some reason, San Francisco. So this is coming up in my mind because that's a really, really cool city in the United States, really popular. And so we're going to go over here. You're going to type in walk in San Francisco, right? And then what you're going to do is you're going to see all these different videos getting tens of thousands of views on them, right? You can go up to filter, and then you go over here to Creative Commons. You can grab this Creative Commons and look at all these really nice lengthy videos that you have the ability to use as Creative Commons. There's 10-minute video, there's a 20-minute video, 14. So you have so much footage in here. Here's an hour and 42-minute video right here as well. So you have all these videos you can use, and you could combine a couple of them, do some video editing, and then upload a unique video on your channel, right? And it'll help your channel grow and get views as well. So this is just another spin off on this, right? That you can actually not even have to record the walking videos, and there's plenty. So if we typed in, let's try New York, walk in New York. So walk in New York, and we are on Creative Commons. So all these are Creative Commons. 60-minute video. You could just watch through there and grab 5 minutes from that video, 5 from another. Nightlife. You could do raining in New York, walking, all kinds of stuff. It's unlimited what you could do. So there's a ton of Creative Commons marked videos as well. And as long as you're taking those videos and doing a little bit of video editing, you don't want to just take that video and re-upload it as it is, or it's not going to be unique and YouTube's not going to like that. But if you take bits and chunks from different videos and do some video editing, put the time into it, and actually put the videos together, then you can actually have some really unique content to upload that will help your channel grow and then help you get monetized. So that's it for the video today. This was just a really cool method that is kind of like making money online, but actually doing something that will help you stay healthy, which is walking and using your smartphone. And then building a channel off that. And these channels are doing it. All these channels that we showed you are making it happen, right? They're making money. They're making money each month by doing this. So if you're new to the channel and you found value in this, this is the kind of videos I bring out. Go ahead and smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on my next video. Until next time, take care.